Hey everybody, Zach here, and welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you're having a great weekend, great day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Right here, right now, we're going to talk about Alchemy Pay, ACH, one that we've talked about here on the channel before, and it's kind of went dormant for a little while, but now, all of a sudden, as you can see, up 26%. We saw a little bit of a spike yesterday. I created a YouTube short on this one, and then woke up today to Alchemy Pay storming ahead, so I figured, why not? Let's jump into it. We've got a short video from the CEO of Alchemy Pay talking about future partnerships. That's coming in this video. We're also going to break down where Alchemy Pay is and where we think it's going by the end of the year. We'll take a look at the charts as well. Take a look at the volume that is coming in right now to Alchemy Pay. And it's pretty interesting, to say the least. Now, one thing is we know that Alchemy Pay currently is ranked 234, so it's a little bit outside that top 100. As you all know, if you're somebody who stops by the channel quite often, I usually try to focus on just the top 100 assets, but I do look at other projects just outside the top 100 that I think are really promising, and I think Alchemy Pay could be one of those. So real quick, before we dive into a little bit more details on the charts, so right now the price change, as you can see on screen, up 26%, but look at the volume. The amount of volume in the last 24 hours is up 104%, which is big. Market cap is also up 26%, and the fully diluted market cap now is over 1 billion again, which is great to see. We were up there, of course, when Alchemy popped up, to its all-time high, which was back in early August after being listed to Coinbase. We saw the huge run-up. The all-time high. It's still 43% off of that. It got all the way up to 19 cents about 16 days ago. So I actually think it was a little bit higher where I was looking. I thought it was up near 24 cents. I might be a little off there, but they're saying 19 cents here on CoinMarketCap. Regardless, we're getting closer to that, up over 11 cents here as we speak. So let's jump into this quick, John Tan talking about what security and stability he could provide to ACH investors. This is the CEO. He said that we have a really massive partnership, and their next partnership announcement will be their largest partnership by far. So let's listen in.
We have secured really massive partnerships, and it is at this point in time, it is just not the right time to announce. We are, as I mentioned, I think my team has announced on Twitter earlier, just a couple of days ago, that a lot of our businesses, it takes time to conduct integration. It takes time for us to get the necessary licenses. And whenever Alchemy makes an announcement, it is something massive. The next announcement regarding a partnership is going to be something really massive. Stay tuned to it. I can't really share it right now just because we have signed an NDA with the partner, but it is our largest partnership by far so far. We have secured.
Okay, so basically he said their next partnership is going to be massive. It is going to be their biggest partnership by far. Now, how do we take that? Well, as investors, we hope that the CEO here, John Tan, is telling us the truth, and we might be able to get out ahead of something. Now, this was posted 5 days ago. Is that the reason why we're seeing the run-up in price? Probably has something to do with it. So 5 days ago, he said these comments back on the 17th. At least this was posted then. Shout out to Ben Strudwick for posting this and asking a brilliant question. Shout out to you, my man. Appreciate that. And so a day after mentioning, or this mention on Twitter, right, this interview, and I'm sure there were articles about it, a day after you start to see the rise in the price here. So this is the chart where it starts, and you've seen a bounce up all the way from 6 cents to all the way up to 10 cents right now. It's actually selling off as we speak here at the top. This might be a decent time to buy in right now as we're taking a look at the sell-off right now. So this is definitely one to watch here. Now, when this massive partnership will be announced, I don't know. Who is it with? I don't know. But let's focus on what Alchemy does. Alchemy is in the form of digital payments, right? So let's go over to their website here and just kind of focus on what they do. All right, so let's jump into it. Alchemy Pay here globally in 65 different countries now. It's the world's first hybrid crypto and fiat payment gateway. Be connected globally. They're in with Shopify already. They're saying this is going to be a bigger partnership than Shopify. Okay? So, accept payments worldwide, get paid in local currency, earn and reward ACH. So, I am super bullish hearing the news here on Alchemy, and I am in on a small position on Alchemy, but I was actually in and then I sold back off because I kind of bought near the top and I've turned that into, I think, Cardano or Polygon, but I'm going to be looking to get back in. So if you want to know where I'm looking to get back in, you can become an insider and you'll know every time I buy and sell. I'll take a look at your portfolio for you. You're going to get hot weekly crypto alerts. Group portfolio shared access only for the insiders. If you want to just become a member of the Discord, that is $10 per month. You're going to get general support from me as well. But I'll be looking to get into Alchemy Pay now. Let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. We're going to come back to Alchemy here in just a minute. But the Fear and Greed Index showing a 76, a little bit lower than it was yesterday, which is good. We should see some more buying pressure then today. And we always want to take a look at this because it really does tell an important story in the overall market. Now, let's go back to the charts and check this out. Again, still selling off here. Might be a good time to bounce in. We saw a similar sell-off here, and then it had another run-up when it was down here at 9 cents. So keep an eye on this. It is running up today as we speak, up 9% right now. Let's take a look at the technicals here. Let's pull these out here. So right now, ranked a strong buy just about everywhere. Moving averages showing up a strong buy. Oscillators showing up buy. At least this is the 1 day. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Oh yeah, even stronger buy. 2 hour, it's just a buy. 1 hour, buy. 30 minutes, same thing. 15, same thing. 5 minutes showing a sell. 1 minute showing a sell, okay? Because we're seeing that big dump off right now. All right, so we're going to have to keep an eye on this. Let me know your thoughts down below on Alchemy Pay. Do you still hold some? Are you thinking about getting back in now? What are your thoughts about that? And I'd love to hear from you. So real quick, I want to close out this video with this map that shows where cryptocurrency is taking off around the world. I thought this was kind of interesting. And we could see here the Chain Analysis 2021 Global Crypto Adoption Index. Top 20 countries based on 3 metrics. Total crypto activity, trading activity of non-professional users, and peer-to-peer exchange trade volume. All are weighted by purchasing power parity per capita. So you can see here, Vietnam, India, Pakistan, way up there. Ukraine, Kenya, Nigeria, Venezuela, United States is sitting in there. Togo, Argentina, Colombia, Thailand, China, Brazil, Philippines, South Africa, Ghana, Russian Federation, Tanzania, and Afghanistan. So how about that? There is just a growing interest in the overall crypto market. I love seeing that. Go check out this recent article that was put out there. Shout out to Mackenzie Zigalos for putting this out there on CNBC. All right, hopefully you got some value out of this video. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel right here, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.